Alright, we're on it again.
Chop Fire River right there.
Don't look down. Alright guys, we just got ready. Our first stop will be the overlap stone. Now balik up, link up. So it's supposed to be about half an hour ride from here. Alright, let's go rock and roll.
Wow, this is really steep. Oh my goodness.
Wow, we made it. Check this view. Alrighty, let's discover what is all about this overlap stone. But oh wow, I can see it. Alright guys, it turns out there's a fee for the parking and to go up there. We'll check out this road we're climbing, how steep it is. So yeah, you just pay 200 baht each per person for parking, and they give you a drink up there, so I don't mind that. I don't know if you guys can tell by the video, but this is like super incline. I don't even know how many degrees it is. Wow, it's pretty crazy. I'm still going up. Can you guys tell how huge is that rock over there and how dangerous looking? Check this out. Not only the rock at the top looks crazy, check the one below. How dangerous it looks. Oh my god, you gotta see this. You see that? Where it sits? That huge one? Wow. It looks like it can fall any minute. And we're still going up. Definitely worth that 200 baht. Trust me. So they build all this, keep it nice and clean, so it's much worth it. So yeah, if you have a balance issue, I wouldn't recommend you to come up here. It's so steep. Damn, look at this. Wow, check this out. Okay, this is the final stairs. Oh. You guys catch the scale of this thing? Yeah, this is definitely not for everyone. Let me tell you that. Okay, let's check out the other side. What do you guys think? Check this behind me. This is crazy. Never seen anything like it. All right, let's go fly the drone. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the drone footage. I think I did well. I mean, even though it's a steep hill over here, you can't make a whole circle. But I tried my best. I think we got some good shots. So now we go down to the restaurant or the bar that, you know, they give you a drink. We're gonna enjoy our drink and then we're gonna go to the Tarnim temple, I would say. It's like in the middle of the jungle, so it's a cool looking thing. Alright guys, it says another 15 minutes from here to the Tarnim or Tarnim jungle temple. So yeah, let's go and do that and then we go back to the room. Alright guys, we made it out here to the magic garden. I can already tell right away we should have come here first because it's so high up. I don't know the elevation, but it's so high up in here on the mountain and it feels a lot cooler, and you're kind of in the jungle too. If you're looking for a midday or morning activities, so this is gonna be perfect. Yeah guys, this place is spectacular. So it was a bit of a challenge to come up here. Very steep hills, so if you're not comfortable with riding a scooter, hire somebody or just take a taxi or something. I'm not even sure if the taxi would able to come here because the road to come up here, it was so narrow and so steep. So if you're not comfortable with riding a scooter, so you might have to figure something else. But definitely worth to come here, and I would highly recommend coming in the midday. You see, we're surrounded with high lush trees, and I'm pretty sure it look amazing here in the midday when the light straight comes down from the sky. So now it's kind of inclined and also a little bit of overcast, but still looks spectacular over here. what do you guys think? I think this place is amazing. Well, yeah, I think we're done here. Yeah, there's no point to fly the drone at all because, you know, it probably just looks like jungle from above. Yeah, let's go back to the motorbike, and then we should have about 30 minutes of motorbike ride back to the hotel. So before it gets too dark, we should do that.